How to perform a factory reset for the Crown XLS Drive Core 2, 1002, 1502, 2002, and 2502 amplifiers. Welcome. In some instances during the life of the Crown XLS Drive Core 2 series amplifiers, you may experience an issue such as no audio output. To address this, confirm all connections are good, you have an audio signal from your source, and the output levels are set correctly. Once confirmed, you should perform a factory reset, which may fix the issue. This should be done prior to sending it in for service. Be aware, if you reset the amplifier, all settings will revert to factory preset values, and you will lose all configurations you may have entered for amplifier modes such as filter frequencies, input sensitivity, and system settings. To perform a factory reset, power on the amplifier. Once powered, press and hold the Menu Select button until you see the display change to Main Menu. You will see Amp Mode as the first highlighted selection. Press the Next button. You will see the highlighted selection change to Crossover. Press the Next button 2 more times. This will bring you to System. Now press the Select Menu button to access the System menu. Now press the Next button a few times until you have highlighted Factory Reset. Now press the Menu Select button. The display will now show the question, Factory Reset return all settings to factory default? No. Press Next to change No to Yes. Press the Menu Select button. You will be prompted with, Confirm Reset, are you sure? No. Press the Next button to change No to Yes. Press the Menu Select button. You have now reset the amplifier to factory default settings. If you decide not to perform the factory reset, there are 2 opportunities to select No. Also, if you're in the System menu, press the Next button until you see Back. Select it. This will send you back to the main menu. Press Next until you see Exit. Select it to leave the main menu. Note that if you do not touch any of the buttons for about 2 minutes, the amplifier will auto-exit the main menu or submenu and return to the startup screen. After you have performed the factory reset, check to see if audio returns. If not, turn the unit off and on, and then recheck. If audio does not return, visit pro.harman.com/service for assistance. For more information regarding any Crown product, please visit crownaudio.com, and thanks for watching.